Hey YouTube, Bill here, aka Whiskey Lima, and today we're going to be taking a closer look at the brand new Ironclaw Wireless by Corsair. On first glance, obviously Corsair's decided to change its packaging now, so there's a much plainer look to the box. What's inside, however, is anything but plain. As usual, you'll find the instructions for use, warranty cards, etc. Have a read of the literature if you wish, or just chuck it to one side to get to the good stuff. Included in the box is a really nice braided USB cable, which has a standard USB Type-A connection on one end and the micro B USB connection on the other end. You can use this cable to charge your mouse and also to use the mouse wired if you so desire. There is also a USB cable adapter included, but after carefully reviewing the instructions in every language, I have no idea what it's for. Because this is a wireless mouse, we also need a wireless dongle, which as you can see is tiny. We will talk more about the wireless features later. Finally, we have the mouse itself. And first impressions are that it looks really nice and actually a bit lighter than I was expecting. The Ironclaw Wireless is apparently shaped for palm grips, not claw grips as you might imagine. So if you're a palm grip user, this is a great shape and it's very comfortable to use. The mouse has an 18,000 dpi optical sensor, 10 programmable on-RON switches rated up to 50 million clicks, and it can be connected via Bluetooth or Corsair's new proprietary Slipstream technology. So according to Corsair, Slipstream transfers twice the packet data than traditional 2.4 GHz wireless and means that there will be a faster response time and less interference from other wireless devices. The Intelligent Frequency Shift, or IFS, will scan the 2.4 GHz spectrum to find the best frequency for the most reliable and fastest connection. This means you can use the mouse in high wireless traffic areas without interference and with an astonishing sub 1 millisecond response time. This technology was first introduced in the Harpoon Wireless and has now also been used in the Ironclaw Wireless. My previous mouse is the Darkcore SE, which as you can see side by side is a similar size, but the Ironclaw definitely fills out in your palm a little more, which I actually find very comfortable. It's also a little lighter than Darkcore SE, which makes sudden movements in-game a lot easier. After using this mouse for a few weeks now, I found it fantastic on battery life. On just one full charge, using the 2.4 GHz wireless and having the LEDs all working, it ran for about 40 hours of standard office use and some gaming use over a period of about 4 days. I did have it set to turn off after 10 minutes of idle time, and this did happen from time to time, but more often than not it was being used. The Ironclaw is compatible with Corsair's IQ software to take advantage of the programmable buttons and 3 RGB zones on the mouse. There's a number of effects available for this mouse, and each of the RGB zones can have its own colour and any combination of effects separately from each other. The DPI buttons can also be given a custom colour to match your themes, but it cannot be animated in the usual way. The IQ software can be a little daunting if you've never used it before, so it would be wise to check out some tutorials if you are new to the application to give you a head start. So in summary, this is a nice mouse and I would definitely recommend it as a gaming mouse. The low latency wireless connection, good battery life and the programmable buttons make it a winner for me. There are some downsides however, in that the sides of the mouse are not modular like previous mice from Corsair, which is probably not a big deal for most people, and to be honest I think I would have stuck with the default configuration anyway, as it fits my hand perfectly, but it would have been nice to have. Another glaring issue for some people is going to be the sniper button, which you will need a second thumb to use. If you do use the sniper feature, you'll probably have to reassign either the forward or back button, which are very easy to reach. The button can be reached better with the index finger, so using it for a secondary gadget in game is a good option. Overall a very nice mouse, and despite the sniper button being a bit awkward to get to, the rest of the buttons are positioned perfectly, and I would definitely recommend the Ironclaw Wireless if you're in the market for a wireless gaming mouse. Thank you for watching guys, and if you liked the video it would really help me out if you hit the like button. If you didn't like it, that's cool too, and if you haven't yet, please subscribe for more videos like this coming your way soon.